was in the van inside, and there was a rain again. That's why just now I'm going out and I'm going to throw this garbage. Yeah, this is the rice tonkatsu. Another good thing here in Australia is there is a garbage bin everywhere, in every park. Yeah, it doesn't matter if the park is secluded or in the city or in the town, there will always be a garbage bin. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, the sun is over there, covered with clouds, and it's still like lots of clouds. Probably there will be a rain again tonight, later on. My original plan is to go to that mountain. Yeah, that mountain is not connected to that mountain. Yeah, it's not connected. Basically, for you to be able to get there, you need to travel, yeah, all the way coming from that side. It's over 1 hour drive. Yeah, even if you take the ferry coming from Nelson Bay, it's also 1 hour ferry ride. Oh, there's a Nike sleeper. This is expensive, but people, they just are leaving it there because they are sure that it will stay there forever. I mean, no one is going to take that. Yeah, that is how it is. So basically, I want to go to that side, to the other side, because the first thing, I want to go to that mountain and explore that, hike that. And another reason is I want to go to Pindimar. This is still part of the Port Stephen, because yeah, when I was browsing on realestate.com.au for the possible houses that I'm going to buy, you know, we are just browsing. There's nothing wrong about browsing or dreaming of owning a house here in Australia. I saw that there are some cheap piece of land selling on the Pindimar area of Port Stephen. Yeah, those houses there. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but there are some houses there. Yeah, and if you look in the Google map, Pindimar, yeah, you will see how it looks. Most of the houses are in front of the water, and at the back of those houses are still yeah, like bushland. Yeah, but there is a proper way, there is an actual road, and some of the land there that are for sale are actually non-urban land. It means that it is not ready or not for housing. It means it is not allowed to build a house on those land, at least not yet, but probably in the future when they rezoned it, maybe it is going to be yeah, allowed to build the house. Yeah, and you know, the price of the land is just over $150,000. Yeah, so if in the future you are planning to build a house here in the beautiful Port Stephen, I think that one is a good place. If you remember this place, this is my usual way before when I was on my bike. And going back to the car, yeah, I just went to the toilet. Oh, just now I noticed that there is a shower here. If you see these two, 1, 2, yeah, those are shower, because out inside is just a toilet. Yeah. Yeah, so basically I got this will to have a house here in Australia. Yeah, because last time when I went to the birthday party of the son of Rick, we had a conversation, the group of us, about the, you know, owning a house here in Australia, because they already own yeah, several houses, I think, here in Australia. Aside from where they are living now, they have another property. Yeah, and that was very encouraging. And so what I did some research. Yeah, and actually Rick gave me the name of the broker. The broker is basically the one who is going to evaluate my borrowing capacity to different banks. Yeah, and initially I want to go direct to the, you know, to the real estate offices, but yeah, I decided to send an email to the broker. Initially I thought she's going to ask me to come to the office and have a proper conversation. Yeah, but no, the broker just asked for different documents, proof of income, something like that, employment certificate, and you know, the other things that are related to finances. And then after one day, I received an email that yeah, my borrowing capacity is actually very low compared to the amount of houses here in Nelson Bay. So it means that yeah, I'm not capable to purchase a house here in the area of Nelson Bay, and that is why I end up browsing in different places. And that's why I learned that Pindimar area on the other side of Port Stephen, my borrowing capacity is just less than $300,000. Yeah, and the price of houses here in Nelson Bay is $700 to $1 million. So that is how it is. And we're back here in the car. Yeah, you know, this coffee is now very cold. Not very cold, but yeah, not cold, not hot. Room temperature. I am thinking of reheating it in here, but let's see inside. Actually, I can reheat it. In case you don't know, I have an inverter here that can power this. It overflows a little bit. Look at that. It's very hot. Oh no. I have hot coffee again. Oh, it's wet outside, so the rains continue. Yeah, good morning guys. It's already 8 minutes to 8 o'clock, and I'm actually preparing my breakfast, and I still have this one, the other one of that, the one that is given to me by Divina and Riley. Initially I thought I'm going to put it inside to cook it there, but microwave, I have microwave. Yo, we are riding the bike today. Yeah, and it feels good. I am actually a little bit you know, it feels different this time. On the very initial of my ride, I was looking for seat belt, something like that. Yeah, and yeah, there's no seat belt, just helmet. And the first thing that I want to do is to buy an ice cream. I'm cravings for ice cream this time. But they look closed today. Yeah, they are closed. Yeah, we're going to the Albura Marina, the ice cream shop over there. I have a coffee here, but yeah, I'm really cravings for ice cream. I actually have a very important stuff on my bag, but I'm going to leave it to go to the toilet. Very nice. And this is what I got. This chocolate fudge brownie, and oh, I forgot, rock salt caramel. Rock salt caramel is probably the same like salted caramel. And now we're going to look for a place to sit down and have this ice cream. And there's actually a lot of people here this time, especially on that side. Tourists, they are coming from the ferry. And this is where I am going to have this ice cream. Amazing. This salted caramel is much better, more delicious than those I buy in the grocery. Yeah, amazing. There is a delicious aftertaste. That is the one that makes it more delicious to the usual one that I bought in the grocery. Yeah, it's really delicious. This is not again going to be the first time that I'm going to buy ice cream. This actually costs $9. Yeah, 2 scoop of ice cream. It's a big scoop, $9. And do you know that when I was new here in Nelson Bay, that's the first shop where I usually buy a cup of coffee. And then there are several times that they are giving me a free coffee. Even that coffee shop on that side, yeah, they also usually giving me free coffee. If you become like a regular customer in one of the shops here, for sure they will give you some kind of a freebies. You know, in life there's always some people who don't really care. Yeah, just like this one, just leave it here. So we throw it in the bin. We take it because we are going on the same way. And that's the balance in the world. I mean, there are some people who care and there are some people who are not. And that is how the life is balanced. And what is the important thing is don't get mad. Yeah, and don't abuse. And that is how it is to have a peaceful world. And after ice cream, I actually have this from yesterday leftover. Yeah, coming from Aldi. The weather is really nice this time. Yeah, if you remember yesterday, the previous days, and this morning actually there was a rain. But look at this, beautiful. Yeah, some clouds, but there's no sign of rain anymore. I didn't check the forecast, but looks like there will be no rain. Now it's time for my coffee. Oh, you notice this? I have this chalk. Yeah, because it is going to scrape the shell of my mug. Okay, it's time to move to the next beautiful spot to have a coffee. If you are planning to come here in Nelson Bay, yeah, this place is actually children's friendly. That is because there are many children's playground almost in every center of the town or in almost every park. They are doing some improvements in this area. Yeah, you notice that they break the sidewalk, the footpath. Yeah, hopefully for sure it's going to be finished by the summer. Summer here in Nelson Bay is very busy, as in this area full of cars park. We are now here in Fly Point, and this is what I've shown you before. Yeah, this is like a fire prevention thing. Just like in this area here in Little Beach, there is another children's playground. So it means that wherever you visit here in Fort Stephens Bay area, it's good for your children. They can play. We are now here in Little Beach, and you notice they are doing a new toilet on that side. And this is how it is. There are so many pelican, 3, 4, a lot of birds on that side. And actually there are more pelicans on that area. They are waiting for those people who are cutting the fish or cleaning the fish. Oh, you see? Yeah, those birds, those pelican waiting for scraps of fish. There is a big tail of the big fish on the garbage bin. I was a little bit tempted to ask to have it and make a sinigang. I am happy with this cup. Oh, look at this, there is a new sidewalk here. Oh, very nice. Yeah, they made it wider. Wow, look at that. That is a nice bike. As in very nice. I saw it in the front and it's really nice. Oh, actually, I don't want to go farther. I'm going back. We are back here in Nelson Bay for sure. The sun is going to set over there, and it will be beautiful later. I'm not sure if we are going to wait for that. Maybe not. Oh, look at this. There's again something new. Yeah, I think they put this post, new post, to replace the old one. There's so many improvements. You know, when you are on your bike, you're going to see a lot of things. yeah, almost every details along the way. But if you are on a car, yeah, you don't see much of it. Take my hand, you walk a while, feel my love, all day beside me. Be the one, love so strong, you are the one again. I love you more than anything, I love you more than you ever know. I love you more than you ever see. Yeah, as usual, I am riding the bike while singing. I actually don't have earphones, so I am not listening to music. I am just singing. And to be honest with you, I can't really sing in the house. Yeah, I'm worried that my neighbor will hear me singing. But here on the bike, I can sing because I know there's no people close to me, near to me. There are times that I am riding, relaxed, and singing. And then when I look a little bit like that, I notice that there's actually a bicycle at the back. Yeah, so I feel shy singing. So like this one, you notice there's another children's playground. So like what I'm saying, wherever you go here in Nelson Bay, yeah, there will be always a children's playground for your kids. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you wanna live forever and ever? Forever, forever young. Take my hand, take my whole life too. But I can't help, I can never know you're meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. But I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, another food that I have is this. Yeah, the one that I bought yesterday from Aldi. This one, bread. There's one guy, he's fishing with his kayak. Very nice. In the future, or when I have a chance, or when I can afford, I'm also going to buy a kayak and we'll be kayaking here. Yeah. Oh, I realized that that kayak is actually a pedaled kayak, not by paddle. I can now actually see a little droplets of water, like a sprinkle. Maybe it is raining, or it's going to rain, maybe. Okay, before it happens, we're going to do some pull-ups.